For example, the introduction sequence of Tarak. We took him to the jungles in Bulgaria and made him run in the jungles without any kind of shoes, any kind of footwear also. We made him run.
I was put on about 3,000 calories a day. I was eating 7 meals a day. Took me somewhere around a good 16 months to 17 to achieve that.
Tarak is very particular in how he eats and the calorie count. I've seen him on sets.
Without them saying how hard you guys have worked on their body. Like he couldn't even bend down, like his legs were so sore.
ఆ గోండ్ల ఇందులో పుట్టినటువంటి మనిషికి ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఆ థింకింగ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, తన బిహేవియర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, అడవిలో పెరిగిన మనిషి నడక ఎలా ఉంటుంది, నడవడికి ఎలా ఉంటుంది.
ఆయన ఎపిసోడ్ తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే అది టార్చర్. అది వాటర్ వల్ల బాగా తడిపేసి వింటర్ లో